Stream live music on your Zoom meeting. All you have to need, go to your Zoom and start a new meeting or join in a meeting. Now all you have to need to stream live music, just click on the share option. Here, if you want to stream live music with the music video, then under screens, you have to select the screen or window in which window you are currently playing the music video. Then just make sure to check this option, share sound, and then click on share. And the specific music is now live streaming on your Zoom meeting. And if you want to only live stream the music audio, then let's see how to do it. Go to share and this time select advanced, and under advanced here you have to select computer audio and then just click on share. And now only the live music is now streaming on your Zoom meeting. As you can see, my computer sound is now streaming.